Just look at the car, y'all. I went and got a car wash beforehand because I knew I was coming to this. So I know y'all probably like, I know that man threw me off the wheel. I don't like that I look so washed out. I don't know what that is, but I know y'all probably like, where have you been? I have been in the house. Like, I haven't been doing nothing. I've been lazy, unmotivated. Like, it's been crazy. I was supposed to film a video over the weekend. I was supposed to film 2 videos over the weekend. I didn't film just because, like I said, I've been lazy and unmotivated videos. I've been trying to like push out short form content even when I don't feel like making long form content, just so y'all get something. So I've been uploading a lot of YouTube shorts, TikToks, Instagram reels, and stuff like that. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram and TikTok if y'all don't already follow, because that's where you can see my short form content. Or if you turn post notifications on, you get notified every time I post the shorts. But I know people don't really use YouTube shorts like that. It's more so like for random people to find you. So yeah. So dang, I missed it, but that's what happened when you got work and you don't feel good. You gonna miss a lot of stuff. But hopefully we can make a lot more this year than we did last year. Because last year I went to like 2 meets the whole summer. So hopefully this year we make a lot more. And yeah, that's really it. We got a lot of regular traffic. Look at the baby right there. She looking good. Let's see. It ain't really too much of nothing going on. Everybody just chilling, walking around. What is this? It's the meat. And then you turn into all of this. We got all of this. People sitting up there, that's crazy as hell. I'm trying to get it. Bro talking about getting a ticket. Look, got the vet. Another vet. A lot of stings out here. Got that M2. V's. The police must be coming because everybody running to their cars. Oh yeah, the police here. Them boys right there. Look at it right there. They not really doing nothing yet. Everybody leaving. Let me get in my car and leave. Not gonna lie, y'all. That brother got in my eyes, boy. We definitely not gonna be here long. Police definitely coming. We not gonna be here long. Oh, look, he's flashing. The scariest thing is seeing these niggas slide and headlights pointing towards you for a good 5 seconds. Cause you don't know if them niggas gonna get up out of it or not, nigga. Bro ain't gotta worry about none of the bumps in the road or nothing. Suspension good. And then buddy over here in the track. That's not even a track, but buddy over here. Buddy over here in the Cherokee trying to figure out how to slide. Can't figure it out. He probably don't got his advanced track off. And this nigga. Bro, I hope the camera picking up how much his suspension is being under load, bro. It's crazy. It's actually insane. But I might be leaving in a minute. Leaving a car meet when everybody else not leaving a car meet feels so awkward, not gonna lie. Especially when you by yourself. Look at this. There we go. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'm finna head out.
Alright, bro, you be smooth.
Nah, y'all be smooth.
Alright, bro.
This is buddy who I was talking to earlier. This is 300 right here. Got the side by side playing the music. This nigga probably was the one who was behind me. But yeah, I'm probably finna leave too. My baby, my baby, my baby, my baby. I was just about to leave, but I think they're finna race. Bro, I really don't know how people vlog. But I think they finna race, so I'm finna get out. It's gonna be mad crazy right now, cause my aperture settings is mad low, but 1 second. I didn't even know when them niggas was finna go. I didn't even know where them niggas was finna go. So I hope y'all seen that. Bro, look at everybody just came over here. And these niggas finna race. If I knew these niggas, I would stand in the middle. But I don't know these niggas, so not risking my life. Niggas that end up getting hit. Oh yeah, there we go.
I think cuz slow down though.
That shit too close, you can't even tell who won or not. But I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. That was the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. More videos on the way, more meets on the way. It's the summer, it's time to get outside. I know I post like one video a month, but it's time to lock in. Drop some encouragement down for me, down below in the comments. What y'all like, what y'all don't like. Leave a like on this video so we could get the video out to reach more people, so we could get more views. And y'all, if I start getting paid on YouTube, it's gonna be up. I'm quitting my job. No, I'm playing. Depending on how much, cause nigga, I might quit. But road to 500 subscribers. We at 60 right now. We got a long way to go, but I believe in y'all. If y'all believe in y'all. Y'all see what I'm talking about? That nigga was coming this way, nigga. I was getting a little scared, but it's all the space right here, so nigga, you got no reason to hit my shit. You better draw that motherfucker. He ain't hit my shit. But now it's time to go officially.